MediOffice has a wide range of documents so that you too can start making reports like this. But how can we do it? Let's open the MediOffice system, and the first thing you should know is that in the module where we edit our data as doctors, located here on the main screen in the lower left corner, the system is going to give us certain customization options for our documents. As we can see on the visualization, we can select that our documents have a color customization. Templates by color black, blue, or pink. In this case we are going to select blue. And something important to take into account is that MediOffice includes by default certain logo designs adapted to our specialty. If, for example, in the configuration I choose that my specialty is cardiology, at the time of previewing this document we can see that a cardiology logo has been automatically selected. This is also the case for other specialties. It is important to keep in mind that from this same module we can also attach our own logo if we already have one. Clicking on the logo option, this is going to open up Windows Explorer, and within our computer we're going to look for our logo. Like this one. We are going to save this data, and now let's proceed to make our first report. We are going to look for the file of the patient that we want to make the report. And in the bar on the left we can select the option of documents. This will open the pool of documents that come by default with MediOffice. The visualization is loading, and here it is. Here we can see several formats, and in addition to these that come in the document pool, we can also explore in the folder of other specialties documents that are adapted to other specialties such as cardiology, surgery, pediatrics, among other specialties. If, for example, we want to make a leave certificate, we select the document of leave certificate, wait for the preview to load, and here we can see the document. If we are happy with the result of the document and want to print it at once, we use the print button located on the right. And here we have our finished document in PDF format for printing. It is important to note that the patient's data was automatically inserted without us having to enter them previously, such as the patient's name, his ID, his age. And a letterhead was also created, with our data as a doctor, where we can see our name, our specialty, and the logo that we attached before. On the other hand, if we want to make some kind of edit to this document before printing it, we are going to use the edit button. This will take our document to Microsoft Word, where we can complement the information. If we want to add something additional, such as the diagnosis, or the treatment received, recommended physical rest, any information we want to complement. Once we have our document ready, we save the changes and we can print directly from Word as we know well. If we go back to MediOffice and go back to the patient file, we will be able to see the two documents that we print at this time, which are attached to the patient file. Every time we look for information, those documents are going to be there.